Hi, I'm Frankie.
And I'm Hale.
And we're here at Dr. Pak's office because my fiance said he wanted to get a hair transplant. And then I was like, you know what? Maybe I'll just come with because like maybe I don't know, get an opinion from the doctor.
I said to Frankie he should come.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And then I saw the doctor and I was like, there's nothing you can do with this. And he was like, whoa, yes I can. And I was like, oh, okay, whoa, didn't realize it was not bad.
Me and Dr. Pak, we were the same thing.
Yeah.
We found Dr. Pak through Yelp basically. I did so much research on Yelp and just read all the reviews and then looked at all the photos and stuff like that. And I'm like, yo, I feel like this is the office that is meant for us. Like they looked like they cared about their patients rather than like going through a place that just like machines us in and out, you know what I mean?
Yes, 100%.
Just like they looked like they were done to really care about the outcome of each patient.
And then they did because we had such a wonderful experience here.
Yeah, amazing.
And it really did help my like self-confidence because I always like to wear my hair up and spiky and pointy like a troll doll. And I couldn't for years because I did have receding hairline and like in the corners it was like definitely receding, which made me super self-conscious about wearing my hair up. But now I can rock it out. It's been a year.
That's the cool thing about it. It's like because Dr. Pak is an artist, you want that because the way we're gonna look is gonna be defined based on like literally like, is this hair gonna go up or down here, etc., etc. Do you want to have a widow's peak and stuff like that? And he uses his ability as an artist to kind of work with you and figure out what's gonna be the best thing that looks well on you.
Natural.
With natural.
Looks natural.
Keyword natural. It's crazy how our hairlines really kind of like define so much of our confidence level. It has been literally the #1 confidence booster that I've ever done in my entire life.
Aww.
Yeah, it's crazy.
What about
I'm
being
so
engaged to me?
Being engaged to you was a confidence booster.
Why? You're engaged to the hottest person on the planet.
While that's
true.
true,
Be a confidence booster.
I think I got him because my hairline was so good. Okay, technically we did it afterwards, but we'll just go with that story.
Yeah, me too.
We'll just go with that story. He fell in love with my hairline, so that's why we're engaged now.
The only reason why we're together.
Yeah, the only reason.
Love you.
Because of Dr. Pak, we're now getting thank you.
Honestly, being here with Dr. Pak was such an incredible experience. I would highly recommend him to all of you if you are looking for an amazing hair transplant doctor and a hair transplant clinic. Like everyone here, the staff, everyone was absolutely wonderful. So highly recommend.